Hi everyone. Uh, so we are going to see STL in C++. So standard template library is a set of C++ template classes to provide commonly used algorithm and general purpose data structures such as arrays, dynamic arrays, list, stack, queue, dequeue. So all the commonly used algorithms and commonly used data structures are provided in C++ through STL. So before going to STL, template classes are the prerequisites for STL. So we'll see what are templates in C++. Okay, so a template is a very simple and yet powerful tool of C++. Idea here is to pass data types as a parameter to the function so that we don't need to write the same code for different data types. For example, let's say you want to write a code to get max of different data types. Rather than writing uh, multiple codes, you can write one get max and pass data type as a parameter. So template helps to write generic programs. Now, C++ has added two keywords that are template and type name. The type name can also be replaced with class. Using this, you can use template. So I have a basic C++ code with me. So these are the header files. Then what this function will do is, it's very simple. It is taking two integer values, checking which one is greater. If A is greater, returning A. If B is greater, returning B, right? So same thing with string A, string B. If string A is lexicographically greater than B, it will return string A because return type is string. Else it will return string B. Same for a character. So we are comparing two characters A and B. If A is greater, it will return A, else it will return B. Right now, you see, every time I'm trying to find max out of two elements, those elements types are only changing, right? So for this, right now I have written three different functions, but using template, we can write only one template code and that will help us to sort all these. Sorry, not sort, but find the max. Okay, so how do we use templates, right? So as I said, like we'll have to use two keywords, that's a template and type name. So we'll first write template and then we'll write type name, and here you can give some variable name like let's say we'll take t. Okay, now let's say the function we are writing, for this function the return type was int. Here we'll say our return type is t. Okay, we'll take the same function name and here we had int. Just in place of int string char, we'll replace it with t. So ta comma tb. So what I'm saying is a is of a is a variable of type t, b is a variable of type t. So we are trying to write generic code. Now in return we'll write the same thing. If a is greater than b, then return a, else return b. That's all. So for now I'm just commenting out these lines. First we'll run and see the normal code, how it works. Okay, so I'll open my terminal and try to compile it. Yeah, so we'll first compile our C++ code and then run it. So you see among 4 and 5, we got 5 as greater. Among these two string, basically AFDS is greater. If you place this two string in dictionary order, then ABC will come first. So this is a greater one between A and B. Definitely B is greater, right? Now I'll remove these all code and try to use template in place of that. Okay, so one thing which I told you here, so basically while we are using template, we need to pass the type with it here, like pass data type as a parameter. So while calling this function, what we'll do is we'll tell the type of this 4 and 5. Okay, here it will be a string, and in the next one it will be char. Okay, now you can see the magic. So if we compile and run it, we are still getting the same answer, right? With just one template function over here. So this is how template works. And I hope it gave a basic and good understanding of templates, and it will be useful in STL sessions further. Okay, thank you.